This week, we're going to finally finish up the last needed renovations for the van. But first, we're going to head to this farm not too far from us. Our friend Kathy works here, so she's going to show us around a little bit. Maybe it'll give us a glimpse of what it'll be like to have our own homestead. The idea of one day being interconnected with all the living things around us, woven into the circle of life, somehow seems like the next step. So, I'm excited to be here. And for our lives to one day manifest such beautiful things. And so much more.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode. We are hitting the road soon, but before we do, we have some renovations to make on our van. There's certain things that we put in prior to traveling in it that we actually didn't like. Number one is the bathroom. It wasn't well ventilated and it stunk, and we had to clean it like every other day. So that is gone. We're gonna make an easy, simple solution. Number two is the solar that was stored overhead. A little bit not that safe, and it got way too hot up there. So that's coming down and we're putting it somewhere else. Out with the old and with the new. I put together this little 2-door cabinet, painted it with the HVLP gun, and it's ready to go. Just dry fitting in here, and then I realized it was good, so we just screw it in into the studs, of course, and then boom, we got it all safe and sturdy. And you guys know how I do. Had to add in that fire lighting underneath the cabinet. And then we're going to go ahead and move our Ahava sign to be centralized in this seating area as opposed to centralized over Nyla's car seat how it was before. So I'm just playing with the colors right now, trying to see what vibe I like the best. The Ahava sign is only pink, so this pink and blue is really hitting for me. I think that's fire. So now that part's done and taken care of, it's onto the drawer fronts and door fronts. And I feel like I've done a million of these this year, so it's almost like second nature. So I'm just getting it all ready and set up. I had it painted outside, that's why you see all the equipment. I like spray painting better than roll on. It really gives a cleaner finish in my opinion. A little dirty, but you see the vision. I'm literally watching this video thinking, man, how could I let the public see my jacket this dirty? It is embarrassing, but I guess that's what comes with working hard. We're still getting better at this YouTube and recording thing, so this is the closest thing you're gonna get to a reveal. Obviously it's not fully done, but that's the last thing I got a full video of. I think I was just too excited, if I'm being honest with you. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Peace out.